Hello, today I would like to teach you how to front panel program the Motorola XT665d, but this is going to apply also to the XT660. The 5 means that we've got more frequency to select, and they are the LPD. What do we need? We need our radio and user manual. That's in case we would like to program the ctcs or digital tone squelch. Reason for that is we are entering the index number and it's going to use the corresponding value. We do not select exactly the frequency or the tone itself. We are using this value and you need to know the corresponding number. In case you don't want to use it, you just type 0 and it will be off. But in my case, we are going to use them. If you do not have user manual, here you go. And for my case, we are going to stick to the ctcs. The second thing that we need, of course, is a second radio and frequencies and the tones that we would like to use. I would like these two radios talk together, and I've got from user manual to this radio the default frequency and the tone from the user manual. And as you can see here, we've got the channel numbers. That's how it goes from the factory, the frequency for receive, transmit, and the tone. Here we can see that channel 1, 2, 3 do not use any tones, and the channel 4 and upward, they are using the ctcs. And here we can add the megahertz in our head, and we are going to find the corresponding frequency to the index number, and we are going to enter that from keypad to our radio. So let's begin. I'm going to turn two radios on. I'm going to keep the lowest volume because other people might be talking, and we are starting from channel number 1. I would like to keep this number just in case I talk to other person and say, hey, I would like to go to channel number 5 because we have some kind of problems. They could go to channel 5 and we are going to be exactly on the same number and frequency, but you can of course program that as you want. You can use different naming. You can go like channel 21, for example. But here I'm going to stick to that one. And I'm on channel 1, but we can be on any channel. We can hit OK. We go to the right, channel edit. And here we can select which channel do we want to edit. And I'm just go back to channel number 1 just for sake of the video. We can set up a name, but we do not want that, so I can call it for example Intek 1 channel, just to make me easy to understand what is programmed there. But we are going to hit receive, transmit, edit, and here we are selecting the frequency. We do not enter that in form of a digit and a frequency, but just we selecting from the program by the manufacturer. This is a PMR compliant radio, so you can only select a specific frequency. And here you can see the value the raw value of the channel 0625. I'm agree with that. I'm going to hit OK. Then we go to the right and we are going to select the pldpl. This is our tone squelch, and as you can see I've got tone number 2, and if we see, then this is the corresponding value. I would like to have it disabled, so I'm going to just hit zeros. Now I disable the ctcs and set it to none, and I can go back to channel 1. I can go here and see, can we talk to each other. I'm going to press the PTT and we can see the transmission, and here also testing 1 2 3 4 5 radio check, testing radio 3 4 radio check 1 2 3 4 5, and as you can see everything is working. We are going to do exactly the same for channel number 2. Now it will be a quicker, maybe channel 2, frequency, channel 2, 1875, hit OK, ctcs, DCS, nothing, just putting zeros. Going to channel 2, testing radio check, testing radio check. As you can see, working perfect. I'm going to skip the channel number 3 because it will be exactly the same. Channel 4, I'm going to edit this channel. Frequency, channel number 4, 4375. We already got this, but we can of course select in case it doesn't. And here is the pldpl tone, 107.2. Let's find what kind of ID does it have. Let's see on that list. 107.2, and this is exactly what we would like to see. So this is going to be a ctcs number 14. The timeout hit, I have to go again. Receive transmit, pldpl 014. That's 14. And we should be able to talk on channel number 4. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 radio check. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 radio check. And as you can see, working perfect with the ctcs tone. Let's go to the channel number 15, or maybe 10, I don't know. Just for the video I'm not going to type everything. Channel number 10, we're going to edit channel number 10, receive transmit frequency, and as you can see I've got already programmed the LPD channel, so we are going to find the PMR. Channel number 10 is 1875 in the PMR. XT660d. As you can see, this is our frequency, and the pldpl tone is 131. 131.8 is DPL 20. Zero 20, and we should be able to talk on channel 10. Testing. Of course, we have to go to the channel 10. Testing. 1 2 3 4 5. Radio check. And here, testing. 1 2 3 4 5. Radio check. And as you can see, this is the process that you have to do in case you would like to front panel program the Motorola XT660 series radios. As you can see, nothing scary, very simple. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.